Hi guys, it's V the man here, and if you can hear that cricket chirping, well, I don't know why, I just, whatever, but I just found these dogs, they're my relative's dogs, and that one's trying to bark at me. That one's quite cute, like, they're both quite cute, the small pups, and that is what a jackfruit looks like when it's about to be, when it is ripe. Like, if you just heard that, it's like a chicken. Yeah, so let's just get a bit closer. By the way, they're being tied to like posts so that they don't run off or anything. Oh my god, that scared the life out of me. Look at that chicken. Right, the chicken's going away. So I don't know how to get a good view on it. Alright, so we're just gonna go back to the dogs. Alright, I got angry because I stomped my feet. Alright, that was so synchronized. Alright, that just had a voice crack, that orange one. I think they're starting to get a bit scared, but I'm just getting into my shoes, and he's ready to run. So yeah, I'll just see you guys in my next video, and hopefully I don't get like beaten up by a dog. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye guys.